All right, guys, we got a 21 Ram TRX. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. As you guys can see, it's still got a lot of tone to it. Here's sound decibels. 107 with factory exhaust. Wow. There you go. Again. So what we're doing is going to do a muffler delete on it. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2021 TRX Ram. Look at this beast. That's my next truck. I've got to get me one of these. I always say it every time I see one of these. I'm jealous. I want one. So you know what? I might just buy the bullet and do it. Anyways, factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then it comes true dualed already from the factory 3-inch. It's got a giant 3-inch in, 3-inch out X pipe there. Then what we did is we did a muffler delete, dual muffler delete, and also closed the patches on the resonators there, 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 and there. So it's basically straight piped all the way back, as you guys. So it's muffler delete and resonator delete by patching it. You don't hear them. All right. And then it comes with 5-inch black tips out the back already. So we just left that alone, as you guys can see. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it right there. That's the ones we just cut off. Much better. Sound decibels. 121, guys. There it is. That's how they should all sound, right? Hell yeah. Go ahead and back it out. That's a supercharger. Yeah. I need one of these. Hell yeah. Hey, and the truck fits the guy. Look, he needs to have one of these trucks. Exactly. Power lift, dude. We have power coming in. That sounds so good. Much better. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram TRX. Straight pipe. There she is. Very sexy truck. It fits you, man. It fits you a lot better than that other one. Yeah, it's perfect. Enjoy, bro. Thanks again.